Hello and welcome to my channel QA Engineer. In this video, we are diving into UI and UX testing. In my previous videos, I teach you about usability website testing and manual testing. This is a short course in which you will be able to learn how to test the website manually. I am showing you the example. I am testing the website live with you so you can understand how to test and you can start earning money on different platforms. You can sell your services, manual website testing services in few days after understanding this short series. I will show you the real website UI UX testing today in this video. Before we go inside the live testing session, first you need to know what is UI and UX testing. UI stands for user interface and UI is all about look and feel of the website, how the website is looking to you. As a user, whenever you buy something online, there is a user interface for any website, and it depends on how easy it is, how easily you can understand that UI and UX, then you are staying on that website and buying. Otherwise, you leave that website instantly. So UI is look and feel, colors of the website, buttons, consistency, and other things like overall design of the website. So this is all about UI. We will test the website today for a UI. Now UX is stand for user experience, and it means how the user is feeling about the website when using it. So when you are buying something online on e-commerce website, how you are feeling when adding the product to cart, when searching for a product, when filtering the product. So how you are feeling, that is the user experience. So both UI and UX are very important for any website because without a good UI and UX, a website cannot land customers and cannot make the customers stay on the website to buy something, to learn something, or to do anything according to the purpose of that website. In short, UI is what you see and UX is what you feel. The purpose of UI UX testing is checking if the end user will feel good during the website usage or he will leave the website instantly. We will test this same website which we used previously in our usability testing video. We will test this same website for UI and UX today. As I told you, for the UI, we will see how is the look and feel of the website, and UX is the user experience. How is the user experience while using this UI? So I will be looking if there are any issues regarding UI and UX of this website. So this is the same e-commerce website which we did previously. I am using this e-commerce website because there are thousands of customers who are looking for the e-commerce website testing, manual testing. So that's why I am teaching you this skill first of all, and then we will teach you step by step of QA career. Okay, so here this is the website. When I scroll down, you see the edges of these two cards here. The edges are round edges, but here this is not the round edge; it is the square edge. So this is a UI problem. Look and feel is not consistent. So whenever there is not a consistency in UI, then there is a UI problem. If I scroll down, this again, it was a usability problem, but this is again same time, this is a UI and UX problem as well. Why this is a UI problem? Because UI, mean user interface, is not very clear. The look and feel is not good. The user cannot view this easily. And UX is user is not easily understanding or seeing this object. So this is a UX issue as well. So here it is good. I can scroll to top. This menu navigation, this is good and clear. The UI is fine here. When I hover on this, it is changing the color, and this one also. Navigation is also fine. These colors buttons are also very visible. This is easily visible. Get in touch, login and register is also visible. So this UI is pretty good here. Now if I scroll down to any other thing, the footer UI of the footer is not good. This is the footer. There is a lot empty space here. There is a lot of empty space here. So empty space means the UI is not very intuitive. You need to have a very good and clean and precise UI of the website. So once this issue is removed, the footer will be smaller and it will look better. It will look better mean the look and feel of the website will be improved. UI and UX will be improved. Now let's get to any, for example, product page. If I click here, if I go to this one, I will click on this product page. So this is the product page. Here you can see that the icons here is all again not visible correctly. So this is a UI problem. There is another small UI issue here. The plus and minus icons are very small. These are hardly visible. So UX mean user experience is not good here. So this plus icon and minus icon should be increased. The size of this should be increased so it will look better. If I scroll down, then these are good. The UI is fine. I can go to related products. I can see customer reviews. I can see the description of the product easily. So the product page, this is the product page of the website, e-commerce website. Product page of the e-commerce website is pretty fine. If I click on the shopping cart, I will add this one. So this is the UI and UX of the website. So we are testing how is the look and feel of the website, and when using, how easy it is for the user. So this is a functional bug. Our next video will be about functionality testing. So this is a functional bug that I added a product to cart, but it redirecting me to this web server error. So this is a functional bug. I will show you this in the next video as well. Let's get to another product and try to add that in cart. We will add this product to cart now. So after clicking on add to cart, it is adding the product to cart. I will click on view basket here. So this sidebar is good. The UI is good. I can see the title, price, checkout button, view basket button. So the UI is pretty fine here. On the cart page, we will check the UI and UX. So the product, the title is visible here. Price of each product, quantity, subtotal. So I can see everything easily and I can understand everything easily. So UI is look and feel of this page is pretty good, and UX is user experience. It is easy for the user to apply the coupon here, either calculate the shipping, see the flat rate of the shipping, total, subtotal. So it is easy for the user to understand the things and proceed to checkout as well or buy directly from the cart page. So UI and UX of this cart page is pretty good. Okay, so this is the checkout page. I can easily enter the name. For example, I will write my name here, and it is easy for me to write the names. I can select the address. I can select different things. I can see my order details as well correctly, the total, shipping. I can understand what is subtotal, what is shipping, what is total. Then I can enter the card details. I can go to the PayPal. This is user friendly. I mean, the UI is better, look and feel of this page is good. User can understand what to do and how to do, and user experience is also good because I can easily go through this page, add different things in the forms, and then I can click on the place order button. So if there is a validation error, that is also a UX thing. If I click on place order, it should show me the validation problem if there is a validation error. So yes, this is saying this is required field required. All the required fields are also prominent, indicated as red, it means required. So this is again the very good UX and UI is good because everything is visible clearly and everything is understandable, and UX is user is understanding what is meant by these, what is meant by red color. So user is understanding that as well. So this is UI and UX testing. So the UI UX is not about the functionality or the only the website, but it's about the user journey, how easy it is for the user, how easy it is for the user to perform any action, and how the website is looking for the user. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe now, hit the like button and share with your QA friends. Thank you.